So with this course, you not only get a full guide to object-oriented programming in PHP, but you also get hosting. This allows you to upload your PHP files and actually run them on a real live web server and see the results directly in your browser. You can also then share your work with your friends and family and with me in the forums to get feedback and encouragement. So the package you'll be getting is the advanced hosting package, which is normally $9.99 a month, and you're going to get it for a year, so that's over £100 worth of hosting. You get unlimited web space, bandwidth and domain names. And of course you can run PHP as well as MySQL, Perl and all Linux-based languages. So how do you get it? Well, just go into the browser of your choice and type ecowebhosting.co.uk/cp for control panel /OOP course. And that will take you to this page, which is where you can sign up for your hosting. So you just enter your email address, the password that you want to use for your hosting account, and your name. Your name is required. I need to verify that you've actually purchased the course to give you the hosting. So it does need to match the name that you give when you sign up for the course. So we'll just use an example here. Let's put testing123 as the password. And I'll put Rob as my name. So that's gone through fine. I'm now signed up. So you can get various emails sent to you if you want to get instructions to getting started with the hosting, or you can go straight to the Customer Center. So in the Customer Center, you can do everything that you would want to do with your hosting. You can manage your hosting packages, create new ones, analyze your disk space usage, etc. You can have a look at that in your own time. The main thing we're going to do now is create a hosting package. And I'm going to call mine oopcourse.com. Now, I don't actually own oopcourse.com. That doesn't matter. I can still create hosting for it, and I'll use the temporary URL, as it's known, to view the hosting package before the domain itself actually exists. Great, now that's done. So a welcome email will be sent to you, but more conveniently, you can actually view your passwords here, view your hosting passwords, and then if you click on the domain name here, then you can actually access the control panel straight away. Now it does take up to an hour to access this control panel, so if you've just done that, then go make yourself a cup of tea, have a break, and then come back to the next video where we'll see how we manage the domain in the control panel.